Hello, my name is Marcus Alexander Tadili, ID 521-399, and we'll be talking about the impact of generative AI for creative content creation and training using simulation in animation industry. Now, let's go to quick literature. To quick literature, I gathered 12 that is related to my research. Now, let's start with Generative Artificial Intelligence and Academia Implication for Research, Teaching, and Service, 2023. AIGC technology reshaping the future of the animation industry, generative deep learning for visual animation in landscape design, new strategies and practices of design education under the background of artificial intelligence technology, application of animation design in the digital media art industry based on artificial intelligence technology, future of animation with artificial technology, research on the influence mechanism of artificial intelligence technology on the career of animation practitioners in the future, the impact of generative AI on animation production, generative AI at work, and let's go to the other one, the method of trisurrection, augmentation, creativity using generative AI, generative artificial intelligence for rotoscoping, that is for animation, deep point of view, generative AI, and let's go to research question. For the research question, does generative AI a powerful influence on creativity amongst animator? Does utilizing with generative AI enhance human capabilities and creativity in the animation industry? What are the advantages of using generative AI tool for creative content creation in the animation industry? In what way can generative AI contribute to content creation operating within the animation industry? How does generative AI support simulation to provide prolonged training sessions in animation? Now, for the objectives. The goal for this research is to associate with the benefits of generative AI to derive content creation and acquire knowledge in connection within the animation industry. Identify the impact of using generative AI for content creation in simulating animation. Identify the advantages of generative AI in the simulation in the field of industry. In what way does AI contribute to enhance the training session capabilities to simulate animation? And for the hypothesis, there might be some connection between generative AI within content creation. There might be possible advantages within generative AI and its role within the range of animators and trainers inside the animation industry. Now, for the methodology, both qualitative and quantitative question. Online questionnaire Google form I used, distributing it to online communities such as animation communities on Discord, Reddit, LinkedIn, Facebook communities, and um, Instagram. Joining communities that are in animation industries as well. Now let's start with data summary. Animators. Utilizing generative AI tools for animation content creation. Here is the result. Generative AI impact the efficiency and result of animation procedure. Utilizing generative AI enhance your creativity in animation creation. Generative AI's powerful role on animation content creation. Here's the result. Operating with generative AI, the field of animation enhance your progression and capabilities, or does it result in insignificant impact on the animation procedure? Here's the result. Utilizing generative AI impacts on human animators. And for the qualitative question, what are the advantages of utilizing generative AI in the field of animation? Most people answered proper understanding, useful insight, and understanding time saving for rigging and waiting process, efficiency, and many more. And as for the trainers, generative AI support trainers to create content for training sessions in animation. Here is the result. Trainers' perspective using AI for content creation usefulness for the learners. Here's the result. Effectiveness of using generative AI in creating content for training in animation. Here's the qualitative question. And here are the people that answers it. As an idea, research, and references is pretty diverse. could lead them away from figuring out certain fundamentals of animation, efficiency in training capabilities, is somewhat effective, and etc. Now for the findings. Most animators inside animation industry doesn't utilize generative AI for animation, but they see this as a tool for efficiency. Most trainers never use generative AI for content creation. For the conclusion, most people knows the effectiveness of utilizing generative AI, but they know that there is no creativity on utilizing it.